Welcome to Roam Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this information helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a look at Velocity Broadband, found online at velocitybroadband.com. This review will explore their offerings, attempting to give you a clear picture of what they provide. It's important to do your own research as well, as availability and specific services can vary depending on your location. When considering an internet provider, it's crucial to understand the various aspects of their service, including speed, pricing, and customer support. Velocity Broadband's website provides information about their different internet plans and often highlights any current promotions or deals they might be running. Be sure to explore the website thoroughly to understand the details of each plan. They usually offer a range of speed options, allowing customers to choose a plan that suits their needs and budget. Check to see if they offer fiber optic internet, as this technology generally provides faster and more reliable speeds compared to traditional cable or DSL. It's also wise to investigate the terms and conditions of their service agreements, including contract lengths and early termination fees. Understanding these details upfront can save you potential headaches down the road. Furthermore, researching customer reviews and ratings can offer valuable insights into the real-world experiences of other users. This can give you a better sense of the provider's reliability and customer service quality. Look for information about their customer support channels, such as phone, email, and online chat. Knowing how easily you can reach them with questions or technical issues is essential. In conclusion, while this overview aims to give you a starting point, always conduct your own thorough research before making a decision about your internet service. Consider your specific internet usage needs, budget, and the experiences of other customers in your area. Visiting their website, velocitybroadband.com, is an excellent first step in this process.